Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through New Kingston in Kingston, Jamaica. Straight ahead, that's the R. Danny Williams building, and it's one of the tallest buildings in New Kingston. It's actually on the list of the 20 tallest buildings in Jamaica. Now straight ahead on the right, that's the Caramed building. The Sutherland building. It's a call center operation in there. We are on Grenada Crescent, and at the stoplight ahead is Knutsford Boulevard. And then that blue building, or the building with the blue glass straight ahead, that's the Island Life. That used to be the Island Life Mall, but it's now the Courtney Corporate Center. As you can see, a lot of these buildings have changed names. So at this stoplight, turn left, you take Knutsford Boulevard up to Trafalgar Road. Turn right, you take Knutsford Boulevard down to Oxford Road. But we're going to go straight across and stay on Grenada Crescent. And as you'll notice, a lot of the roads in New Kingston are named after Caribbean countries. That's a very nice view of the Courtney Corporate Center. And this building also has a call center in it, IBEX. The call center business in Jamaica is doing very well because these buildings are not cheap to rent, because New Kingston has the most expensive real estate in Jamaica. New Kingston is like the business district of Jamaica. Basically, it's like the Wall Street in New York, where all the business takes place, or it's a major financial business place. That's what Jamaica is. So we are on St. Lucia Avenue, and we're turning left onto Tobago Avenue. So what I mean is, in Jamaica, it's New Kingston, the equivalent of what Wall Street is in New York. So this is now Tobago Avenue. On the left is the John R. Wong supermarket. On the right is the parking lot for the NCB Bank. And this is NCB here on the left. This is NCB 127 Knutsford Boulevard. And then across the road is BNS, the BNS branch. I'll just call it BNS New Kingston. And I can tell you, unless you have to, you don't go into the NCB branch here or the Scotia branch there. They're very busy, extremely busy. Some of the busiest branches you will find. Okay, so GMB is on the left, then Tasty Patty, then GK General Insurance, Factories Corporation of Jamaica. On the right, you can see the sign that says Sutherland. That's also another call center operation over there. On the left is the Victoria Mutual Building Society building. Straight ahead where it says Sagicor Sigma, that used to be the Citibank building. On the right, that white building is the Pan Caribbean building. And you can see the Porsche dealership on the right, Starbucks on the left. You have Pizza Hut, Island Grill, Burger King, Juicy Patties, you name it. Every fast food restaurant has a location in New Kingston. Okay, so straight ahead is the KFC. So we are on Knutsford Boulevard now. We're going to turn left onto Trinidad Terrace. Alright, so we're now turning left onto Trinidad Terrace. So on the right now where you see the construction, that is where the Wyndham Hotel used to be. But the Courtly Hotel group bought out the Wyndham and they're renovating it, and it's going to reopen as the Courtly Hotel. So both properties will become one, and it will be just like two towers, but it will be one property. On the right is ICII Group, on the left is First Global Bank, and we are on St. Lucia Avenue now. Notice the names. So we're going to turn left now onto Barbados Avenue. Straight ahead, that's Knutsford Boulevard. So we're now turning right onto Knutsford Boulevard and heading towards Trafalgar Road.